Hey everyone, it's Carissa Wiley at sprinkledwithglitter.com. Thanks for joining me today. Today I am sharing how to create the easiest birthday treat box ever. I absolutely love this birthday treat box die from Pretty Pink Posh. It reminds me of French fries. And I think this is so easy to put together because this is a one-piece die that creates a treat box. So you only need to die cut one of these from some cardstock. It creates all the scoring lines for you. You fold it up and it comes together so quickly. So I've die cut this from some Concord and 9th Sea Glass cardstock, and now I'm folding on all the little scored lines to create the box. Now, before I fold this up, I'm going to add a little bit of double-sided adhesive to the inner flaps on the front of this box, and I'm just kind of lining it up with the first scallop that's on that box, on the outer side of that box. Once I have the adhesive in place, I'll go ahead and remove the backer, and then I'm just going to fold this together and line up the little scallops from the front of the box with the back of the box, and that's going to bring that side together. Now, once I have that into place, I will press it down to make sure that it stays securely, and then I will go ahead and remove the backer on the other side and repeat that process. And now once I adhere that into place, lining up those scallops on the side of the box again, I'm completely done with my birthday treat box. I mean, I have never put together a treat box that comes together so quickly and so easily. So these are perfect for mass producing for birthday parties, showers, graduations, or just to maybe even give your coworker a little gift card or a treat. These come together so quickly. Now to doll mine up, I went ahead and added some metallic hemp twine to this box, and I used a little double-sided score tape to keep the twine in place as I tied that bow. And then I die cut a circle from some vellum, and I added one of the Pretty Pink Posh party hats that's brand new from their February 2024 release, and a gold foiled sentiment to the top of my treat bag. And if you missed last week's video, I shared where I created a bunch of these elements from the new Pretty Pink Posh February 2024 release. So I will be sure to throw up a card and add that link to the end of the video here as well. Now, as always, I will have links to the featured products used in this project in the description at YouTube. So if you're looking for something in particular, be sure you check there, or you can head on over to my blog at sprinkledwithglitter.com. I'll have that linked below as well. Over there, you'll find more still shots, more information, and a complete list of supplies. This project is a part of an Instagram hop celebrating the brand new February 2024 release and Pretty Pink Posh's 10th birthday, so be sure to join me on Instagram. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, I hope you have a fabulous day.